Experiencing sudden volume changes with your AirPods Pro 3? This often stems from three key areas: sound check, EQ settings, and sensor issues. Sound check, an iOS feature intended to normalize volume across different tracks and apps, can sometimes overcompensate, leading to perceived volume drops. EQ settings allow you to customize audio profiles, but miscalibration or glitches can cause unexpected volume adjustments. Finally, the proximity and touch sensors, which detect ear placement and gestures, can trigger false positives due to dust or software bugs, resulting in automatic volume changes. To fix volume fluctuations, start by disabling Sound Check in Settings, Music. Next, review your EQ settings within the AirPods Pro settings in iOS to ensure they are correctly calibrated. For sensor issues, try cleaning the AirPods Pro 3 with a soft, dry cloth, paying close attention to the infrared sensors on the stems. A reset can also help. Place both earbuds in the charging case. Close the lid, wait 30 seconds, then open the lid and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber, then white. Keep your iOS updated to benefit from the latest firmware fixes. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, hardware defects may require a visit to an Apple store.